destination.
Guys, we're at Long Beach. There's a line out for the Nike outlet. So we'll park out here. Let's see. Alright guys, we're at the Nike Factory Store in Long Beach. There is a line. You see the line is about a 20-minute wait. So wait for it.
PS5.
Okay, we're here at the Long Beach store. Orlando up-tempo 95s. 79 plus 20% off plus 30. You have the Laker ones. $79.97 plus additional discounts. And they have the Flight Faucet 2 retail minus discounts. You have the John Elliott's for $200. LeBron Witness in a, it's like a Laker colorway. $100 retail. Size 10. LeBron 7 Fairfax. 200 minus. Picking up the Tempo Orlando. And there's a great price on the LeBron James Medicine Ball. LeBron 16th, look. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me in another Nike vlog at the Nike Factory Store at Long Beach.